Hey everybody, welcome back to Uncle Bud's Cookhouse. Now what's a barbecue without baked beans? And somewhere around the corner, I think we jump in and make some today. First we got a nice hot pan going here. We got some green peppers. Here, sizzle nice. Now we're not cooking these to caramelization. We do want to get them to where they are softer, so when they go into beans, they're already cooked and they're not too crunchy. And we got some nice yellow onions. We'll put these on. Let them sweat up a little bit. Give them a little stir. Add a little kosher salt on top. Help them sweat out the extra liquid. There we go. Give them a stir. Alright, so we got a good color on these. A little past translucent, but nowhere near caramelized. Perfect for what we need. So we'll take these off, and we have some beef to cook up next, because a good baked bean needs a little bit of burger. Alright, let's get this beef on. This is an 80-20 ground chuck. A little fatty, but not too much. It's going to break up as we put it down in the pan. Let a good bit of browning on here. And as always, fat is flavor, and so is brown. Alright. Good. And always season as you go. Salt. And we'll give a couple grinds of black pepper. All right. Now our beans today, I like to start with a good pork and bean, and we're actually going to put these out on the smoker, get a nice good hint of that smoke to it as it bakes. Yeah, look at that. Turned nice and brown already. Every bite of these beans will have a good meaty taste to them. Your family and loved ones will thank you. Alright folks, now our beef's browned up nicely. We're going to take it off the heat, and we're going to get our stuff out to put our beans together. Alright, now that our beef, our onions, and peppers are done, we got an aluminum tray out here. We're going to take some good pork and beans, a few seasonings, a little ketchup and mustard, and make our baked beans. So we'll start with a can of pork and beans. This is 28 ounce. So it goes up, give these a nice spread across the bottom. We'll take our beef, peppers, and onions. Nice out like so. Give these a mix. Then we got a little brown sugar. Sometimes it likes to be stubborn. There we go. Sprinkle that around. Do a little bit more. That's about 2 ounces. And we got some onion powder. I know you say, Uncle Bud, more onion? Yes, more onion. You have 2 different varying flavors of onion. Onion powder is based on a white onion, and we put a sweet yellow onion in ours. So you have a nice contrast. One more good pinch. There we go. And our favorite, granulated garlic. And this is going to be about a teaspoon and a half to a tablespoon. One more. That's about a tablespoon. Give this a mix. Now we already seasoned earlier with our salt and pepper in the cooking process. We still have to give this a taste before we wrap up. Now we have our dry season in. Grab a good mustard, give it a shake. And that's going to be about a 1/4 cup. Yeah, 1/4 cup. And good ketchup. About the same. You want these about equal parts. One more big stir. Get all the sides, make sure you scrape them clean. Get everybody mixed into the party. Alright, smooth it out. We'll give her a taste here. Needs a little more ketchup. Smooth everybody out again. Tap off. And the top of the entire plate, bacon. A nice thin bacon. Add a little fat. Add a little flavor. Lay out long ways. Doesn't have to be too pretty. Just has to be even, so everybody cooks happy. Like so. And try not to overlap your bacon, because you want it to crisp up, but where it laps, typically you'll get kind of chewy, and that's not good. Nobody likes chewy bacon. They like crispy bacon. And one last piece. Nice and set even. Nice coating. Now we're going to take it aside, put it on the smoker, cook about 45 minutes, about 300 degrees. Alright guys, we just pulled the baked beans off the smoker, and doesn't that look fantastic? If you could smell this right now, your mouth salivating. It's fantastic. Let's take a taste. Go a little corner here, don't want to mess up this pretty bacon. But that fat off the bacon has permeated throughout. Now that's baked beans. Now thanks guys for joining us today here on Uncle Bud's Cookhouse. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell in the corner so you get our next videos. And comment below. We'll see y'all next time.